We can go on now and simplify. Minus 2 root 3, and then minus 2 root 2. Then of course the square root of 9, so that is 3 times root 2. The same thing over here. Square root of 4 is 2 times root 3, so that is 2 root 3. Now let's observe. Collecting like terms. The like terms here will be the roots. Root 3 to root 3. So we have minus 2 root 3 will be plus 2 root 3. Then root 2 to root 2. We have plus 3 root 2 and minus 2 root 2. Fine. These two, they are equal and they will be 0. Minus and plus. Then meanwhile 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be equal to 1 root 2. But we don't normally write the 1, so we write it as what? Root 2. And that is the solution to the problem. So we have been able to solve this problem to find the value of what? Of k. So therefore, k is equal to root 2. Such problems like this in SOLD are required, and you should have a good knowledge of them by practicing what you are supposed to do. Let us still look at another question. 5. This is important too. Simplify the square root of 98 minus the square root of 50 divided by the square root of 32. Now, solution. Please observe something here. These numbers can be broken down into two factors. That one of the factor is a perfect square. 98, for example, minus root 50 all over root 32 actually is the same thing as 49 times 2 under square root minus 50 is 25 times 2 under square root, and then of course 32 is 16 times 2 under square root. From here, the square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 2 will remain as root 2 because it's a solid. The square root of 25 is 5, and then root 2 is there. All over, the square root of 16 is 4, multiplying root 2. Simplifying this, if you subtract this from this, you will have 2 root 2 all over 4 root 2. And again, root 2 can cancel root 2, and you are left with 2 over 4, which is equivalent to half. So in this way, you will have also solved and simplified this solve.